Hey guys, I'm Alex Ong from Mr. Tex, and you are now watching the hands-on of the modded Nokia camera with Pro mode. The modded Nokia camera with Pro mode is by linuxct, and I will include the link in the description down below if you want to try it yourself. linuxct claimed that the modded version of the Nokia camera with Pro mode will be compatible with most smartphones with Level 3 Camera2 API. I tested it on 3 different smartphones: HTC U Ultra, Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, and Sharp Aquos S2. Let's look at the modded Nokia camera with Pro mode. At the left, you will find the toggles to switch between front and back camera, flash, HDR, timer, BOFI, beautifications, and settings. You can swipe down or up to switch between photo and video mode. Swipe left to call out the Pro mode. Swipe right to collapse the Pro mode ring. And swipe right again to exit Pro mode. The Nokia camera will crash when Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 and HTC U Ultra open the BOFI mode. Only the Sharp Aquos S2 able to access the BOFI mode. However, HTC U Ultra is having the worst compatibility as it will crash whenever it wants. In this video, we will concentrate on Redmi Note 5 as it has the best compatibility. I will also include samples from HTC U Ultra and Sharp Aquos S2. All photos taken with HDR Auto turned on. Let us start with photos. I noticed that Nokia camera will capture slightly darker photos as compared with native camera app, especially on high contrast situation. I also noticed that photos captured by Nokia camera will slightly have more noise. Let us continue with video. The 1080p video shot on HTC U Ultra and Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 are very stable due to both smartphones support electronic image stabilizer and optical image stabilizer on HTC U Ultra. However, Sharp Aquos S2 is having some problem with 1080p video recording. I am not sure whether the Modded Nokia Camera has natively coded for electronic image stabilizer and lacking of electronic image stabilizer and optical image stabilizer on Sharp Aquos S2 is causing the problem on 1080p recording, or just plain compatible issue. After looking at so many photos and videos, do you think that the Modded Nokia Camera with Pro Mode worth replacing your native smartphone camera app? If you ask me on the standpoint of Xiaomi Redmi Note 5, I would say go for it, as it will enable you to access manual settings with Pro Mode and 4K recording. If you ask me on the standpoint of HTC U Ultra or even Sharp Aquos S2, I might just stick to the native camera app, unless you are a hardcore Nokia camera app fans from Windows Phone days. That is all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. See you on the next video.